You dear brothers and sisters, today I am going to tell you how to log in or sign up Pokemon Go because many people are facing problem in this day are not getting signing. So you can see here I open my Pokemon Go app and see if it's signing or not. So you must have also opened your Pokemon Go app, but some such screen in front of you in which your date of birth is asked them. Here I enter my date of birth. Here you can see clearly, even though I have also entered my date of birth here, but I did not see the option of Google and Facebook here. But today I am going to tell you such a trick in which you will see the option of both Google and Facebook. Then without speaking the video, watch it completely, and if you like the video, then join the membership button below and go and join quickly. First of all, what you have to do in the first step, if you have to press your home button and you have to click and hold on your Pokemon Go app, and then you will see the option of app info. Here you have to click. So after this you have to click on the storage used option and you have to clear the data and cache of your game. After this you have to open your Pokemon Go app again, and if you want to follow whatever I tell, then don't like and subscribe quickly. Don't forget to membership the channel. So you listen carefully here, whatever you have to put your date of birth. It will work only if you put above 18 years. If you do not understand, then put it as I am doing. Click this submit button and click the new player. You can see the result of here. It's in which you can see the both Google and Facebook option. Then log in now, and if you want to see to play your Pokemon Go, then comment below. So brother, take the membership of your channel also, because no one has joined the membership till now. Let's see how much you help you, and now many people take the membership.